Hey guys, welcome to a new STUFR.
Hola people, we are in Mallorca, Spain. The weather is gorgeous and we will take the historical train into the mountains.
But first we need to get some breakfast. So we are here at Plaza de España in Mallorca and we are going to have some breakfast here. We are looking for a panaderia, which is a Spanish bakery. And we heard about these Ensaimadas, which is a rolled up pastry thing that they have for breakfast here on Mallorca. So let's go.
I'm hungry.
Yes, we are going. So an ensaimada, which is a cooked up pastry which is eaten a lot of for breakfast, and it's not normal pastry because it's made with pork lard instead of normal butter, so that should give it a totally different flavor. Let's try it. It is sweet, but you can definitely taste that it has a different, how can I say it, a nuance to it. I couldn't tell it was pork fat or pork lard, but it definitely has a different taste than normal pastry. I'll show you the inside as well. It's really fluffy and airy. You can also get it with custard and burnt sugar. So maybe another day we'll try a different version of it, but this is a really nice first breakfast here in Mallorca.
Yeah, it's a little different. It's not butter taste, but it's still a bit greasy. It's really nice. Very special.
The ensaimada was perfect, really something special. Try it when you're here, because it's typically, it's something typical for Mallorca. So yeah, now let's go to that train we talked about. So we got tickets to go on this really old train. Tim found this on the internet, and so we're waiting in line. We got the tickets. Let's go up to the mountains, to the city of SOLLER.
The historical train is going to this place in the mountains of Mallorca, and this very old train was inaugurated in 1912 on the same day the Titanic sank, on the 16th of April, and it was a direct connection to the capital of Mallorca, Palma de Mallorca, because of its booming industry of orange groves. So I hope we will see a lot of oranges here as well, and yeah, let's take a look at the city.
If you are curious to know what else we did here in SOLLER, in Mallorca, then you'll have to watch a new STUFR, because there will be more from this beautiful city. And for now, to close off this Ensaimada STUFR, we bought another Ensaimada, because they have different ones. This one has crema and caramel and coconut, and it smells
amazing.
Really good. So that's what we'll close off with. Tim will do the honors of tasting it. Go, go, go!
The cream on here reminds me of creme catalana in Barcelona. It's really nice.
I really want to take a bite as well. I don't know how long I can contain myself. If you are on Mallorca, try different ensaimadas, because they are all gorgeous. For now, thanks for watching. See you on another STUFR.
Adios.
Bye. Do you want to see us stuff more food in our mouths? Then subscribe to our channel or watch another STUFR.